Welcome to the enchanting Canary Islands, a paradise waiting to be unveiled. Situated off the northwest coast of Africa, this archipelago boasts a year-round temperate climate, making it a perfect destination for sunseekers. With its stunning landscapes, the Canary Islands offer a diverse range of activities for every traveler. Whether you're a nature lover, a history buff, or simply seeking relaxation, this destination has it all. Visiting the Canary Islands, a Spanish archipelago located off the northwestern coast of Africa, offers travelers a diverse range of experiences and attractions. Here are some compelling reasons why you might want to visit the Canary Islands. Year-round mild climate. The Canary Islands are often referred to as the Islands of Eternal Spring, due to their pleasantly mild climate, with average temperatures hovering between 18 degrees Celsius, 64 degrees Fahrenheit, and 24 degrees Celsius, 75 degrees Fahrenheit, throughout the year. It's an ideal destination for those seeking a sunny getaway in any season. Stunning natural beauty. The Canary Islands boast a diverse and breathtaking landscape, including volcanic craters, lush forests, rugged coastlines, and beautiful beaches. The islands offer opportunities for hiking, biking, and water sports amidst this natural beauty. World-class beaches. With over 500 kilometers, 310 miles, of coastline, the Canary Islands are known for their beautiful sandy beaches. Each island has its unique beaches, some with golden sands, and others with black volcanic sands. Outdoor activities. Whether you're into surfing, windsurfing, kitesurfing, scuba diving, or hiking, the Canary Islands offer a wide range of outdoor activities. The volcanic terrain also makes for excellent paragliding. National parks. Several national parks and nature reserves are scattered across the islands, providing opportunities for wildlife viewing and exploring unique ecosystems. Teide National Park on Tenerife is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and home to Spain's highest peak, Mount Teide. Cultural diversity. The Canary Islands have a rich cultural heritage influenced by Spanish, African, and Latin American cultures. You can explore charming towns and villages, each with its unique traditions, cuisine, and festivals. Cuisine. Savor the local cuisine, which includes fresh seafood, Canarian potatoes, papas arrugadas, mojo sauces, and traditional dishes like sancocho and gofio. The island's culinary offerings are a delightful blend of Spanish and African flavors. Whale and dolphin watching. The Canary Islands are one of the world's best places for observing marine life, including dolphins and various species of whales. You can take boat tours for a chance to see these magnificent creatures up close. Island hopping. The archipelago consists of 7 main islands, each with its own unique charm. Island hopping allows you to explore different landscapes, traditions, and activities within a short distance. Historical sites. Explore historical sites such as La Laguna on Tenerife, a UNESCO World Heritage Site with well-preserved colonial architecture, or the pyramids of Gomera on the same island, which are of mysterious origin. Relaxation and wellness. The islands are known for their wellness and spa offerings. Many resorts and wellness centers provide relaxation and rejuvenation in idyllic settings. Nightlife. The Canary Islands offer vibrant nightlife, particularly in places like Playa de las Americas on Tenerife and Puerto del Carmen on Lanzarote. Enjoy live music, dance clubs, and beachfront bars. Family friendly. The Canary Islands are a family-friendly destination, with various attractions and activities suitable for travelers of all ages, including water parks, zoos, and adventure parks. Whether you're seeking natural beauty, outdoor adventures, cultural experiences, or simply a relaxing vacation, the Canary Islands offer a diverse range of attractions and a mild climate that makes them an appealing destination for travelers from around the world. Now, begin your adventure with me by exploring the awe-inspiring volcanic landscapes of Lanzarote. Here, you can witness the otherworldly beauty of Tamanfire National Park, where dormant volcanoes shape the rugged terrain. Next, we journey to Tenerife, the largest island in the archipelago, home to Spain's highest peak, Mount Teide. This island is a hiker's paradise. Ascend to the summit and be rewarded with panoramic views of the surrounding islands. For those seeking tranquility, head to Fuerteventura, known for its pristine beaches and crystal clear waters. Relax on the golden sands, take a dip in the Atlantic Ocean, or try your hand at exhilarating water sports. Discover the rich cultural heritage of Gran Canaria, where traditional villages coexist with modern resorts. Wander through the charming streets of Las Palmas and immerse yourself in the island's vibrant atmosphere. In La Gomera, lose yourself in the lush greenery of Garajone National Park. Hike through ancient laurel forests and marvel at the island's unique biodiversity. Last but not least, explore the hidden gems of La Palma. From black sand beaches to rugged cliffs, this island exudes natural beauty at every corner. As we come to the end of our journey, we hope you've enjoyed exploring the enchanting Canary Islands with its diverse landscapes, rich history, and warm hospitality. This paradise is truly a must-visit destination. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures.